Let's go again.
Sorry.
3 injuries, yeah? Keep your guard up. Drive it through. Drive your body mass through me.
So I'm getting out of the way.
One more.
How would I get through? Because I can't kick the knee. Can I
Yeah,
kick
you
the
can.
knee back that way? I can?
Yeah, you can kick it back this way here. But you want to drive it back right through. Yeah? It's easier to break it left and right, but back you can as well, but you have to drive it right through. So you have to like really stomp on it, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Like a stamp kick. Don't actually do it to me, but you know what I mean? But precision's key. Center of your heel through the center of my joint. Don't just put your foot there imprecisely. The whole point is precision, because precision equals power, because if you can't hit the target, you can't deliver the power. Yes, precise. Drive it down, so drive it right through here. Not really, it's too far away. You could stomp onto my hand, or you could stomp onto the back of my neck again if you want. Yeah, All right, good. Let's change. Okay, precise. So okay, gets a punch, yeah? So just punch you back to the punch, is good. Now move your body forward through, so get your whole body mass driving through my throat. That's better. Yeah, good. Now that's injury. Yeah, good.
Then something else. What else is there? I feel like the chest is messed up.
No, the chest is ridiculous. There's nothing there. You know, there's no injury there. Remember the injury points we've got? Eyes, nose, throat, ear, joints.
So we go. You're already off balance. We go.
Stomp right through. So and you got to be precise. Heel through the center of the joint. Yeah, and drive it right through. Yeah, and drive. No, I'd suggest drop your elbow or stomp, or stomp on the back of my neck. So and on the back of my neck. Bang, and drive it right down through the ground. Yeah. Injury. 100%. If this is someone trying to fucking rape or kill you, kill them. Yeah. All right. No, again.
Okay.
What's available?
Start. Yeah.
Is it really? Okay. Yeah, good. Hit it. Good. Precise. So this needs to drive right through the eardrum. Bang. And you drive it. That suction cup. Bang. Drive it right through. Bang. Bust my eardrum. Stomp and break the knee. Good. Good, yeah. Or even the elbow joint. Kick right through my elbow joint. Kick right through it. Yeah, bang. Break my arm. So 3 injuries, yeah? Good. Thank you. So what's available?
Okay, so available is the ear.
Okay, yeah, now, good, be precise, get the target, drive the hips through my hips. I want to feel your mass driving through. So slowly and precise. Freeze there. Is that precise on my ear or not?
No, it's
okay,
not.
And get precise. Good. Now get your hips driving through my hips. No. So your hips replace my hips. Like your belt, yes, that's it. See, now you're attacking me. Yeah? So that's an injury.
Yeah.
Step 1, that's 1 injury.
You can pull them down and then hit the back. Injury.
So pull them down and, okay, I would suggest you drive the elbow through the back of the neck. Because oftentimes this isn't going to have enough power in it, because it's a hard one to get power initially.
Yes.
So drive the elbow through my head, yeah? Like you're trying to break my neck, yeah? And now one last injury.
Then can you get the knee?
You could. I mean, it's a... Or you could even soccer ball kick my face or my head. Or, yeah, the knee was available as well. Yeah. You can even stomp through the ear again or the back. Because I'm quite low, you could stomp on the back of my head. So here again or here. You can get the same. You're allowed to get the same spot. There's no rules against it. Like if someone's trying to hurt, maim, or kill you or whatever, you could just go bang, bang, bang. That's fine. Yeah. The 3 of the same injury, whatever.
Just continue.
No, I wouldn't do that.
No, in the throat.
No, that's more. If it's just social aggression, I'd suggest chain punching. Or if you can't injure them, then I suggest then I use the chain punching on the throat. You know, like, it's not that easy to hit in the throat, but when you chain punch it on and you cut angles, you can.
Yes,
but
yes.
let's go for the process again.
Is that because of the energy it expels?
Well, you're throwing lots of punches, so now you're using quantity to find a quality strike.
Yeah.
So you come as forward as fast as you can. Yeah.
More of them, you're going to be too tired to fight the rest.
Hey.
If there's more of them after you've been chain punched on one.
Yeah, well, hopefully you're not tired because you're doing it well.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's do it again.
Okay, so you're
Yeah. Come on, bitch. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, go straight to injury. Yeah. So freeze there. Slow down. Yeah. Now I need your belt. See, once again, that's not precise on my ear. Yeah. Go again. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Now get your hips to replacing my hips. Move forward. Yes. Now you got your mass into it. Good. Yeah. Now injury 2. Let's go. You don't need to hold. You don't need to hold me. You're wasting it. You're wasting a use of your arm.
Okay.
If you're holding me here, then you can't hit me with it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Keep it off me and hit me. So you've already got me down here. Yeah, good. Drive it down. Get the weight going. Good. Bang. Yeah. Now final injury. Yeah. Nice. You drive it straight through the head. Soccer ball. Nice. So you aim for 3 injuries and hopefully you've shut them off.
Yes.
All right.